All right, we're going to be talking about multiplication as comparison. And one of the things that I want you to remember are just some of those math words that tell us what operations to do. We've been talking about this since the very beginning of multiplication. When we look at a multiplication problem, you look at three groups of 7. So I have 3 groups of 7. That's how I can figure out my answer. When we are doing multiplication, we are often using some math words. So you can also read this as, if we were going to do words, 3 times as many as 7. When we're reading word problems, we'll say Bob had 4 times as many as Frank. Frank had 3. Well, if Bob had 4 times as many as Frank, and Frank had 3, guess what? That's 4 times 3. When you see multiplication and multiplication words as comparing, it's really going to help you figure out some of those math word problems later on. I'm going to give you one practice rotation page where you're going to just simply have to, I'll give you examples like this. 3 times as many as, and sometimes I'll put a number here, but sometimes I'm going to put a picture. I might put a picture like this. 3 times as many as what? How many is that? That's 3 times as many as 4. Okay? Sometimes I'll put a picture here, sometimes I'll put a number, and you simply have to write the expression, 3 times 4, but I actually want you to make it an equation, solve the equation. 3 times 4 equals what? See, 3 4s. 4, 8, 12. There you go. In your rotation, you're going to practice this, all right?